Samir Ahmed Ayas, Bulgarian. Born the 24th of December 1990 in Sofia, is a Bulgarian football midfielder of Arab descent, currently playing for Dunav Rus. Career. Samir Ayas was born in Sofia, Bulgaria to a Lebanese father and a Bulgarian mother. He started his playing career at CSKA Sofia at the age of 6. On the 20th of July 2013, in the first round of 2013-14 season, Ayas scored Ayub Mets's first ever APFG goal in a 1-0 home win over defending champion Ludogorets Razgrad. On the 6th of October 2016, Ayas signed a contract with Dunav Rus for 1.5 years. International. He served for the Bulgarian under-21 team, being capped 2 times. However, he is not yet mentioned in the main squad of the senior team. Honours. Club. CSKA Sofia. Bulgarian Cup. 2015-16. Profile at Scoresway. Samir Ayas. Profile at Soccerway. Samir Ayas at Football Database.